Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from Lucent GK using an easy method. First, familiarize yourself with the book's layout and topics. Don't try to absorb everything at once. Instead, tackle one subject area completely before moving to the next. A thorough initial read of each chapter is crucial for building a strong foundational understanding. This systematic approach makes the vast amount of information much more manageable and less daunting. After your initial read, it's time to actively engage with the material. Highlighting key facts and important dates will help you identify what's most crucial. Implement active recall by quizzing yourself on what you've just read. Furthermore, creating concise notes or flashcards for challenging topics will significantly aid your memory and make future revisions much more efficient. Hey everyone, if you're finding these study tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation: studying can be tough, but your feet don't have to suffer. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are seriously comfortable. You can find the link for these amazing socks and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Consistent revision is paramount for long-term retention. Don't just read, actively recall and review. Supplement your study by solving multiple-choice questions from various sources. This helps identify weak areas. Try to link new information with what you already know, creating a mental framework. This method significantly improves your ability to remember facts and figures over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.